Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clean up your Windows C or C drive. So yeah, it's a very simple and easy process. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to this PC. Then you have to click here to go to properties. Click on properties. Then you have to either you can click on disk cleanup, or you have to click on disk cleanup. Then you can see there we have so many options, so many selection options there. So if you want to do deep cleanup, then you have to click on system cleanup. So now I'll click on system cleanup. It will take a little bit time on your side if your system is very heavy or if there is so many garbages. So now I will select all the things. Then you can see I have more to select. After selecting all, I'll click on OK. Then I'll delete file. So after doing that, it will take a little bit time. Don't worry. Maybe on your side it will take 2 to 3 minutes or 1 minute or 5 minutes, even more than 10 minutes. So don't worry. Just you have to wait. So let's wait until it's finished. It's finished, right? So now I will click OK. See, you can see there is no anything to here. So that's all. I hope it will be very helpful for you. If you really like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and like the video. And if you have any comments, please make your comments in the comments box and let me know. Thank you so much.